Hey, it's Andrew. So on my video for the Samsung CJ791, one of my viewers made a comment or asked a question regarding whether you're able to adjust the screen brightness for the external monitor, the CJ791 monitor, through either the M1 MacBook Pro keyboard itself or the external or the wireless Keychron K4 keyboard. I looked into this and I found out that with the M1 MacBook Pro in kind of the open format where it's connected to the monitor, you can't adjust the screen brightness using the built-in keyboard functions. It'll only adjust the screen on the laptop. And then in the closed shell model, when it's using the wireless keyboard, for the F1 and F2 keys built into the keyboard for the Keychron K4, it won't adjust the monitor either. And so I looked into different apps or kind of workarounds for this, and I've came across this app called the Brightness Slider, which is freely available through the App Store. All you have to do is open the App Store, essentially type in Brightness Slider here, and then go kind of log in with your ID and then click open, and it'll download the app. It'll kind of show you this screen, which essentially shows the features. You can have keyboard shortcuts for both brightness up and brightness down. So what I did was for the F1 key on the Keychron keyboard, I used that for brightness down, which is the built-in keyboard function, as well as F2 for the brightness up. So the other settings is essentially it'll keep or restore your settings for brightness on opening, and it'll launch on login, so you don't have to log in on this every single time. In the top right corner, what you'll essentially see is this sun logo, and that's kind of the app here. And it does have a slider here where you can use the mouse, so you can just slide up and down, and that'll kind of turn it completely off or all the way up. All right. So that's one built-in feature. And then for the keyboard itself, you'll have to click here, but this is essentially clicking F1. So there's a slight delay, but it does have function well. And then if you click F2, it'll bring it back up. I did notice that with this app, at least, you can't hold down the F1 key. So if I'm holding it down right now, nothing happens. You have to kind of repeatedly hit it. All right. And then same thing with F2. If I hold it down like I am now, nothing happens, but I have to repeatedly click it. So that's an app as far as a workaround if you want to adjust the screen brightness with a wireless keyboard. I don't think I'll really use this, but I wanted to just answer this for the viewer that had that question. So I hope this helps any of you that are looking for an app like the Brightness Slider to adjust your external monitor screen. And please ask any questions below, and please subscribe and continue watching my videos. I really appreciate it a lot. Have a good day.